and never feel lonely. People talk about loneliness. There is only one disease which is very serious disease. So one day I stood on a peak of a mountain, Dronagiri. It's very hard to climb. He was at the foot of the mountain and I said, let me climb. He said, can you climb? I said, of course. So I climbed to the mountain. From there I stayed like that. I said, who is with you there? He said. I said, I am all alone. He said, are you lonely? He said, I said, yes. He said, no, you are alone, but you are not lonely. When you learn to be alone but all in one, then you are not lonely. You are lonely when you isolate yourself from the whole by constantly identifying yourself with the objects of your mind.